Yeah, so it is a testing of Aruca marker with two waypoints. So as you can see, we are connected with the drone here, and here's our landing Aruca marker, and here we go with our takeoff Aruca marker. So as you can see, the camera is on. As soon as I show the takeoff marker to it, the drone will start, and here we go. As you can see, it is armed. It is arming motors right now. So yeah, you can see it's moving now, and after reaching onto the height of 10 meter, then it will go to our first waypoint. As you can see, it has reached the target altitude. Now it's going forward. As you can see, it's going further and further away. Actually, I'm not that good with navigating with the 3D plane. So as you can see, our drone has reached onto the first waypoint. Now it is still going. Yeah, so now it has reached here. As soon as I show it a landing marker, it will land. Now let's open to this one and this one. Yeah, as you can see, now I'm showing the landing marker, and as I showed it, as you can see, so now the script is over, and it has changed the mode to landing mode, and it's going down. As you can see over here, it's landing now.